In the Door Objects Properties toolbox, you can then define the other geometric characteristics: the opening verse, the opening direction, whether internal or external. Every modification made to the door settings is also automatically updated. We then have the possibility of showing a reveal, if any, activating a sill or a casing. Inserting the reveal, we can also set various other parameters to indicate it in the upper section, and in this dialog, change its geometry. The sill or threshold is also customizable. We can in fact define a certain thickness and the sizes of the inners and outer sills. The casing can be internal, external, or present on both sides. Another property is the frame. We can in fact also specify whether internal, external, or on both sides, and then select the profile from the catalogue.